Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for an amazing week. Today we are going to be making some Christmas embellishments, decorations, using some book pages, as you can see here on the background. The starting point are literally book pages that are watercolor as a base, and then we just put some stamps, purse embellishment, a little bit of punching, and that's all. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, very beginner friendly, everybody can make, and you can do this in any sort of colors and embellishments. Use anything that you guys have in your craft room. This is also an amazing project if you want to upcycle magazines, books, etc, etc. So keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna get some book pages, and then we need to use different shades of green. So I've got a little bit of water here. I think I'm gonna use this first, and then what we do is simply needs to be a bit more. Okay guys, so we've got 4 different shades of green. So one more like yellowish green with a little bit of brown, dark green like a olive green, more like, yeah, with some hint of brown, turquoise and green, more like a teal sort of green, and then this is an olive green with some purple. Okay, so what you need to be patient, so the papers needs to dry off completely, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've got all my pages with watercolor. As you can see, it's gonna quick view, they're all 4 different colors. Okay, it's 4 different shades of green. So what am I going to do? I'm going to give you a few ideas. So the idea number 1 is to print or stamp actually directly on this page here. Now, this is one of my favorite Christmas stamps from Stampin' Up. It's called Perfectly Played, and it comes with a matching punch. As I said, yeah, I love this stamp set. So an option would be to stamp directly on the paper, and I'm just going to give you some options. We're going to use no, I'm not bothered about that. I'm going to use 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so just put it on my stamping block. So what you do, you simply stamp on the page. Let me check this on the right way up. You can't really see, maybe because it's a bit too dark. Let's try, I don't like it. Let's try with the brown. No. Let me try with another. I think it's the detail of the stamp that is a bit too busy, because I still want you to be able to see the book pages. Just gonna do it this way up now. Oh, perfect. Yes. So that's one. Yeah, I think it's yeah, I think it was too busy, so you won't be able to see the book pages underneath. Perfect. And then we're just going to, let me cut. So it's easy for me to punch. So I'm just gonna punch this one here. 1. And not do it in a way. Oh, I punched it too close to you still see the book pages. So that's one idea. And then the second one, what we can do, let me just clear, got my wipes here. Because I don't want to do it later. So let me just clear and put them away. So it's all nice and tidy. Honestly, guys, if you do if you craft along, you don't have that task later to clean up everything. So this kind of like idea number one. So you stamp on these book pages and you get this lovely vintage effect. And I'm going to do something with this actually in a minute. I'll show you. Got an idea in my head. And then the second project, it's basically tear the pages, do some strips, we're going to do a few. Do you think we can do, yeah, let's do another one because we can get some more trees with this color. So tear some strips and we're going to do some of this lovely green. Okay, and then you glue them together. Just need a piece of card. I'm going to use this one here. So I'm just going to put some double-sided tape. So pick a cardstock that you think it's got the right texture. Now I picked this one because I liked the stripes and I want the tree to be quite colourful. Oh, I can't peel it off. Let me get my, yeah. Okay, so let's do that. And then I think we're going to go for this one here. So I'll give you two versions. I'll give you a version with the book pages and the cardstock on the bottom, on underneath. I think I'm gonna leave it actually. No, let's put another one as well. I'll show you the two different looks that you can get. Okay, there was my punch. You can use a die as well. So I'm just going to get, see if I can, no, I think I'm going to get one. What about if I go this way? Oh, I can get two. Yeah, I can get two out of it, yeah. And then you get the little trees. They look like that. And then of course you can simply, if you use one, just one strip. I love playing with book pages, but it just gives that additional vintage look. I mean, it's not for everybody, I'm fully aware of that, but I think it's super cute. And then what I might want to do actually, I'm gonna put a stripe. I want the stripe to be vertically, so I'll show you what two different looks that you can achieve as well. And I was just gonna put a little double-sided tape. So do it vertically, like so, and then get your tree. Okay, and then the last idea is to use this. I have another stamp. This is called Bright Bubble, and you can use any stamps that you guys have with the bubbles. So this is, I don't think I ever used this. I bought this secondhand from eBay. Yeah, I don't recall using it. I'm gonna get a different stamping block. I'm gonna go for, yeah, I got my stamping block from Stampin' Up. I treated myself a couple of years ago, so I got the full set. It's really, really worth the money, guys. So I really, really recommend it. So let me just make sure. Okay. Again, I'm gonna keep it black, but you can use any colors. Okay, and then we're gonna do the other one. Gonna use the other bubble. Here. Oopsie daisy. Okay, and then I'm gonna clean that. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I've got some gold cardstock. I just want to put a little star on those trees. I'm just simply going to use my little star punch. I will be 2 seconds. Okay, so let me show you what I made. So those are, in fact, let me zoom in. These are the little trees. Okay. Instead of using a gold cardstock, I had these little pieces of cardstock dotting around, and I just simply punched a star because I thought it was, because it's quite colorful, and I thought that will look quite cute on the tree like that. And then on here I just punched, where are we, there we are, this star. It's not very centered, but it's all right. It's just to give it that the idea. Okay, so that's the trees. And then on here I've got the 2 bubbles. So on this one I just put the pearls and the little lace ribbon. I think so cute. And then on this one I just put some pearls and just a red ribbon. Now with the bubbles you can make in any colors that you like, and you can literally glue them into cardstock and hang it on your tree if you want. I just think this is so cute. Very delicate, very simple, but yet I think a very effective. Now with the tree, I was even thinking to put the tree inside the bubble. I think it's just quite a cute idea, but then I didn't want to lose the detail in there. But what I wanted to show you, and then we're gonna go because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. I've got here some doily. Now with the doily makes everything more vintagey. I think that's my opinion. So if I get you one, so if you put one there and you put like either like a Christmas pattern or anything on top, that will make a super cute embellishment on its own. So you can use this as a base. You can do it as a duo or as a trio if you wish, and they will make quite cute little embellishments. Okay, so it's again, you can go and get so many different ideas. Once you've done it, I think I think I'm gonna use my dimensional. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it like that. Right, guys, I'm going to go. I hope you like this very super cute, simple tutorial to use up book pages and make some little super vintage decoration. Big thumbs up if you like this video, and yeah, I will see you in the next time. So you guys see this video on Monday. I got a video coming up on Wednesday with my VIP lounge paper. So keep watching, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.